How to make the best homemade ice cream. Typically, ice creams are served outside the convenience of our home. We usually get them from our grocery stores and local markets. This thing is not bad at all. But if you have the right ingredients, then why not make your own in your kitchen? Trust me, the process of making ice cream is fairly easy. Contrary to popular belief, this sweet and luscious dessert is actually a treat that you can create on a daily basis, not that you have to. However, during special occasions and parties, the presence of a homemade delicacy is a great way to add that wow factor. It is a good partner for snacks like jerkies, too. I will show you how to make a vanilla ice cream. It is among the most favorite ice cream flavors in the world today. Let's get started. Ingredients: granulated sugar, 3/4 cup. Chilled, heavy green, 2 cups. Chilled, vanilla extract, 1 tablespoon. Salt, 1/4 teaspoon. Whole milk, 1 1/4 cup, chilled. Step 1: use a large bowl and place it under an electric mixer. Next, pour the sugar and milk into the bowl so that mixer can beat the mixture thoroughly. You need to mix it until such time the granulated sugar dissolves. Specifically, it should only take you around 2 minutes to accomplish this task. Step 2. After this, you can already pour the vanilla, salt, and ice cream in the mix. Stir them properly by still using your mixer. If all the ingredients were not chilled, you need to place the mixture in the refrigerator for around 10 to 15 minutes. When this is over, your ice cream is already suitable for consumption. If you like the video, do not forget to subscribe to the channel. We meet in another video. Thank you guys, love you.